If you bought a new car recently, you've probably experienced the start-stop engine at a red light and might get worried when that engine shuts off. You let go of the brake and you feel it start back up. Now, when you work for an automotive lubricant company like myself, you start to wonder, so what is it actually doing to my engine? So, stop-start engines are not as new as some of us might think. The first stop engine actually came out in the 1970s. The reason why it feels like a new invention is because most drivers reacted negatively to the experience, and the auto industry put the brakes on the innovation. No pun intended. The ultimate goal is to reduce the fuel that is being wasted while the car is idling. Estimates have said that the US burns almost 4 billion gallons of gas while idling, and that stop-start tech can increase fuel economy by 4 to 5%. However, no good deed goes unpunished, and there is a downside to these engines. Most wear that takes place inside an engine occurs during the starting process, and while a cold start is certainly the hardest on the system, warm starts aren't that much better. Now think about every single red light you hit on your way to work or during your daily drive. Each one of those is a new stop and start on the engine. Estimations are that start-stop cycles in engines equipped with this system may triple over the lifetime of the engine. So what do? It's simple. Start using a high-quality oil. These oils are going to have a superior film strength, which is going to help keep these moving parts from touching and grinding against one another and creating more wear. So, for a good, high-quality oil, use our PAO Group 4 oil.